Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share a super tasty, super crunchy and easy to cook recipe, that is caramel bread popcorn. Here I am going to use only 3 ingredients that are readily available in our kitchen. Let's make it. First I have taken 6 white bread slices. Any brand will do. Now I cut them in 1 cm cubes in shape of popcorns, and that's why it is called bread popcorn. Now toast them on low flame until crispy. Next, I am going to make the caramel sauce. For that, I put 4 tablespoons sugar in a pan and add 3 tablespoons water over it. Let it melt on low flame. Don't stir it. Only you can spread the mixture if necessary. When all the sugar melts, add 1 tablespoon butter. Here I want my sauce to be lightly colored, so I add butter at this point. If you want it to be darker in color, then boil it for another 3 to 4 minutes. Let the butter melt, don't stir. Now when the butter melts completely, add 5 tablespoon milk on it and stir continuously until it thickens to the desired consistency. Switch off the flame. Our sauce is ready. Now coat the toasted bread slices well with this caramel sauce. Next, spread them on a butter paper and let them cool. Separate them while they are hot, or else they will stick to one another. Serve with hot tea or milk.